Hi, I'm Amy Zehnder Grossi, and I'm the general manager of the Bavarian restaurant. As general manager, I never know kind of what my day is going to be like, but today I'm working in the kitchen, in the heart of our house, and one of the things that I love to do at my home is cook. And I love to do that with my family. And so I have two small children. Sophia is 10 and Luke is 8. And they like to cook with me also. And so today I thought I'd share with you some of our favorite kitchen tools that we use in our kitchen. So the first one is a very simple tool. You probably have it in your kitchen. It is just a vegetable peeler. But this is a quality vegetable peeler. So when I'm looking at kitchen products, I always think, you could buy cheaper, or this is a really quality one. And what I love about it is kids can use it and not get hurt. Because it's so sharp and the way it peels carrots, they can do it over and over and it doesn't hit their hands. So this is one of our favorite things, and my kids love carrots in their salad or in their lunch. And so this is a must that we use every week, almost every day in our house. The next one, we call it our Piggy Mixer. And it's funny, but it's just a smaller mixer. And so my son Luke loves to create salad dressings, and he cannot create a salad dressing unless the Piggy Mixer is clean. And I think it's just they can hold it in their little hands better and mix things up. But we make pancakes with this, all sorts of things. Piggy Mixer, we have to have it. The next thing is a cookie scooper. I don't know what you call it. We call it our cookie scooper. And why this is so important to us is we love to bake cookies together. Chocolate chip is our favorite, but if they're not all the same portion size, they burn. Some burn and some are too doughy. And so this is great for cooking with kids because they portion it out themselves. So they just scoop it and then they drop it on the cookie tray. So one of our favorite tools, and it makes the product come out much better when cooking with children. The next one is, gosh, what do you call this? A hand mixer. And this actually comes from my grandmother, my mom's mom, Grandma Adele. She gave it to me when she was kind of cooking less, and she said, you could probably use this. And so whenever I use it, I think of her. But it is great for mixing things with kids. So scrambled eggs, pancakes, making whipped topping, they can do that and they get a great workout while they're doing it. But this is another tool that we use all the time. And last but not least is my grill pan. So it's very simple, and when I got it as a gift, and I thought, what am I ever going to use this for? But we love to grill chicken breasts, pork chops, whatever. But I don't love to grill outside in the cold, and so it's January and February. I don't want to be outside with my grill, so I use a grill pan. I don't let the kids grill on this. This is just for me, but it's just a great way to have grill marks, to have that maybe different type of cooking for the meats and different things like that. So that's what we do in our kitchen. I'd love to hear what you do, and any ideas you have, just post them on our Facebook page. Thanks so much.